Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to create one of the scanner. Already yesterday we made it around 50 EMA inverted hammer candle, which happened at the highest level. How it is reacting and how it is reversing from the top level, so that we are discussing on our previous video. So yesterday we discussed on higher level as well as the lower level, and we find such a thing in pen and sale. So here there is a opportunity where it is forms at the highest level. How it given you the correction from the top. So maybe the lower level of that particular candle and higher level should be a stop loss. But this is what a not right stock which we are exactly looking for. So avoiding this, so we will be not getting any stock, but without the filter conditions, we find this exactly meet the candle conditions above the moving average period. So which we are looking for EMA 50. Okay, so how we are looking this for protecting our trend reversal at the top level. So I'm just looking at the trend reversal which is happening on the top. So that may be giving you such a good opportunity where I was finding a reversal trade. So here sale which are yesterday scanner I'm just looking for. So that was giving you such a good result. So where we are finding an opportunity, the trend reversal based on the scanner which I have created. So we find results and by using the conditions, and some of them are asking some comments and messages. So how to find out? So if we don't find any stocks by yesterday because of this condition. So this condition will fetch you the stock which forming a highest level or highest week. So in this case, today if you are looking at so many stocks, we got it because of market is reversed in the afternoon session and around 1:30. So a lot of stocks which forming a, such a pattern. So let me have an example, Kotak Bank and a lot of stock. Let me check randomly Kotak Bank. Exactly, they have inverted hammer candle over and above to the moving averages of 50. Okay, so you are asking how to change the moving average. I will tell you that later. So if you are using that highest level filter condition, we have yesterday we have some sale and Godrej properties, Godrej CP something. This is what is sale. And here on 15th, it's about HDFC Bank. So let me check what is happening on HDFC Bank. So here there is a one. So but we are looking for an highest level. So that single line will filter out all the stocks which forming highest level only. So if I'm running the scanner, so we have a three stocks for tomorrow. So which forming is such a good reversal pattern. So let me check how it is working and what are the stocks which forming in that pattern, and we will be testing in this video, and also I'm going to tell you how to change the conditions. Okay, so here yesterday no stocks were we find, but today we have stocks, but sale which are taken out for a study and it was forming a, such a candle pattern, but it is not happening at highest level, even though it was giving you the breakdown around 150, 2.45 is the highest level, 148. So mean near about 4 points. So where it is break down 148 and it came down to 140 for almost the 4 point where it is generated. But our expectation, so where we are looking for the trend to reach the moving average level, maybe currently it is 134.15. Maybe in soon next section we can expect whether it is. But if I'm just looking at highest level, I don't want to keep the swing high as a stop loss, maybe the candle high as my stop loss. So how many stocks today? Jindal Steel, Navin Fluoride and Eicher Motor. Let me check. Jindal Steel, perfect one. So about the moving, how many times it is taking up? It's the stock is moving a clear uptrend. Okay, so how many times it taking the support at this level? That is a one time, and second time, and third time. So maybe a fourth time there should be a possibilities where instead of buying at highest level, the dead reversal pattern, maybe we are looking for a that lower level buying. So or maybe a lower high or higher lows, maybe that kind of things which we can plan with this. And here we can see there is a 3 times bounce back from that 50 EMA. So it's a good opportunity. And the second stock where I find out is Navin Fluoride. This is a scanner to find out the stocks. Navin Fluoride, that maybe we can check. And here it is a downtrend and again about the moving average, and this is the recent high. So maybe the trend downtrend maybe continues. that should be also be a possible here, and it keeps moving down and bounces back maybe here, and reversal may be above to this level. So there is a chances where we can look for, and again the same thing which is happening at this candle and then it moving down. But our expectation is the moving average level, it is already in the lower level. So we are looking for a selling opportunity, maybe a bounce back should be a good opportunity. So in this case, iShares Motor. So another perfect opportunity, iShares Motor also, it given you some changeover at this top. So from this top, it came down and taken that support, maybe here 3970, the moving average, but he find out an highest level, there is a huge gap between. So maybe a correction we can expect from the top level. So these are all the three stocks which forming a such a pattern what we are exactly looking for. So trend reversal at the top level. So this is my premium scanner, not available free. So it is available on my premium group. So it is a Chartink scanners links were available in my premium group, where you can access all my premium scanners like ADR, Scamrilla, CPR. So a lot of scanner which you have created previously, that links where you can directly access from my group. And one thing, so someone was asking how to change a moving average, simple, nothing else. So here I'm just using a 50 period moving average where you can change it 100 period. Okay, so if I'm changing at an 100 period, so these are all, so you can see Hindu Petro is the new one, and one more stock is gone from this list. iShares model will also be there. Jindal Steel, instead of another one stock which you have seen is iShares Motor, and previous one which you have seen is Navin Fluoride. Instead of Navin Fluoride, we have an Hindu Petro. So let me check Hindu Petro how it came. So because I'm just going to change the 100 EMA. So here it is not above to the 100 EMA, it is instead of that below to the 100 EMA, but Hindu Petro. So you can see in Petro which forming a pattern at about 100, but if the stock doesn't change in above 50. Okay, it is on 50 moving average and above to the 100 moving average. So it has not came into the 50 moving average scanner. It is about 100 moving average scanner which is available on our group. Okay, so SMA. So you can change it on SMA, simple moving average also. Okay, so instead of simple moving average 50 period which I am taken, so many stocks the same Jindal, Navin, iShares Motor, and you can also use any other things also, maybe above to the upper Bollinger Band, below sorry above only which possible. So you can modify whatever the need which you have. So you can change this line only will it helping you to find out. So I'm just going to change above to the Bollinger Band. So let me add the same condition must be greater than upper Bollinger Band. Okay, upper Bollinger Band, it is in condition where it is defaultly available in charting, nothing required for the customized indicator. So we have a very few number of stocks upper Bollinger Band. Voltas on 8-4. Voltas, let me add a Bollinger Band. Voltas. So here is the Voltas on 8th April is forming above to the upper Bollinger Band. So what the condition we are looking for, that is happening. So you need to change whatever the conditions, whatever the moving average which you want. I don't want to Bollinger Band right now. So it is working well in a moving average basis 50, and you can run the scan. So we have a 3 more stocks like a Jindal, Navin, iShares Motor for tomorrow. Maybe we can track how it is going to generate results after this kind of pattern which forms. Sale is a real example which we are discussing on our yesterday's video, and it is giving you such a good movement and good opportunities today. And this is what a scanner, so you can modify, and if you have any questions or a doubt also, just ping me on the comment box. If you have any other details required, you just contact me. The WhatsApp number is shown on this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.